Here's an overview of the ingredients and preparation method for a classic steak. Ingredients: 1. Steak cuts, such as ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon. Choose a well-marbled cut for maximum flavor. 2. Salt and pepper. Simple seasoning for the steak. 3. Olive oil or butter for cooking. 4. Garlic. Optional for added flavor. Fresh herbs, such as rosemary or thyme. Optional, used during cooking for aromatic flavors. Preparation. 1. Season the steak. Pat the steak dry and generously. Season amas on both sides with salt and pepper. Let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to ensure even cooking. 2. Preheat the pan. Heat a heavy skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat. Add a bit of oil or butter to the pan. 3. Sear the steak. Place the steak in the hot pan and sear for about 2-3 minutes per side, depending on thickness, until a golden brown crust forms. Avoid moving the steak during this time to get a good sear. 4. Cook to desired doneness. For medium rare, continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches about 130 to 54 degrees. Adjust the cooking time for your preferred doneness: rare, medium, well done. 5. Add flavor. In the last minute of cooking, you can add butter, garlic, and fresh herbs to the pan. Tilt the pan and spoon the melted butter over the steak for extra flavor. 6. Rest the steak. Remove the steak from the pan and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. 7. Serve. Slice the steak and serve with your favorite side dishes. This simple method highlights the natural flavors of the steak. Hope you enjoy this dish.
In your eyes, I find my place. A love so deep I can't